Okay, streamers, here's what we're going to do tonight. We got 3 wiper blades to put on this 2010 Lincoln MKX. I chose to get the Motorcraft. They didn't appear to be much different than most of your other brands. So let's see what it's going to take to get these things installed. That small little tab right there is what will release the wiper blade, and it should slide back towards the base of the arm and out of the shepherd's hook there. So we'll try that with just a slight amount of pressure on the old clip there. That one right there. Things in there like that. Just depress the clip, slide it down, then the new one should install in the reverse of that by just putting it under here, setting the pivot point right up in there. It's a little difficult there, but now you can see that the little ear saddles up completely in the shepherd's hook. Just secure on there, and we'll remove the blade protector simply by sliding it off of the blade as so. Then we'll lay that bad boy back down and on to the next one. And this one slid right up, snapped into place. Front of this little guy's done. We'll move around to the back now. And the rear one here has a completely different configuration. Let's see what it takes to get this one off. It doesn't pull upward. Does that look? It does look the same. What holds it on there? And this one, the pin just snaps right into the arm. It's just a friction fit. Neato. And with just a click, this one has been reinstalled. Thanks for watching the video. Catch us next time.